Right, so I'm trying to remove that hose on this deer. It's a 322, and as you can see, it's a very difficult location, and all I have is these adjustable wrenches. And I'm just going to show you what human ingenuity, what separates the real mechanics from the wannabe ones. So there's no way I can get a pipe, nothing in there. So what I'm actually doing is I'm using this pipe, and I've got it leveraged against between these teeth here, like that, and that's what I'm doing, like that. So hopefully this helps if you're working on one of these things.